to a judge? That's bad karma. Negative energy that's going to circle back to you.
But the most important thing is that Maxie got another chance to see her daughter.
Yeah, I hear, man. But what concerns me is that Maxie could get hurt again.
I think it's safe to say that none of us want to know.
I know I don't.
Your actions are noble, but you don't know what it was like. Dude, Maxie was so shattered about losing her daughter. Her poor heart stayed broken for so long. I was there with her the whole time that she was healing. It was rough, wasn't it, baby?
Yeah, but
Look, maybe everything will work out okay this time. You never know unless you try, right?
Right. I just don't want Maxie to be hurt all over again.
Yeah, I know. We got that. You made that clear. I gotta go to work.
hey, good luck with the Nina thing.
Thanks.
So the detective lies to a judge for you. And she